Please excuse the hair, but this is part 1 of Who the Heck Do I Work With?
Hey there.
Guys.
Look. Wagwan. All right.
You ever sing? Wagwan.
How you guys? Wagwan.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
So Wagwan people.
Peeper.
Yeah.
That's like a peeping Tom.
Wagwan people.
Wagwan peeper.
Yeah, like,
Wagwan peeper.
yeah.
Why is it peeper?
I just said the man them says.
Okay. All right. The first one. Are you laughing at me?
Ooh ya la fafa.
Wait a minute. That was African. I don't care what nobody say. Wait. Do it
Or you
again.
can say Amiya la fafa.
Amiya la fa fa.
Yeah.
Where's the fa fa? Fa fa. What? No. Okay, wait.
Because
Who do you laugh after?
who you laughing at?
Ooh ya la fa fa.
Like that? Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's what I say when I hit my toe. Ooh. Wait. Ooh ya la fa fa.
Ooh ya.
I still look so chocolate. What is going on? Ooh ya la fa fa.
Alright.
What's the other one?
Amiya la fafa.
Amiya la fa fa.
Yeah.
Amiya la fa fa. La 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 la. Hold on. Wait. Amiya la. Bruh, wait.
That's why you said alfalfa.
Amiya alfalfa.
We didn't have to change position because what the heck?
We had to take a break. Oh my God. Okay, wait. Let me run it back one more time. Ooh ya la fa fa.
Yeah.
Good Lord. Ooh ya la fa fa.
Yeah. And they asked the question, Amiya la fafa?
Amiya la fa fa. No, I didn't hold the ya.
Yeah, you hold the laugh for some reason.
Yeah, the la fa fa. That's how y'all say it.
Amiya la fafa?
Amiya la fa fa.
Yeah.
When you could have easily been like, is you laughing at me?
Is you is nuts.
Is you laughing, girl? All right. Who did that? Oh, wait, I did it. No, that ain't it.
No. Who do that?
Who do that? It's the concern. Who do that?
Why you?
Ooh.
I'm not Spanish.
Ooh.
Who do that? Go ahead, leave it. Me can't breathe, man.
Me can't breathe. Who do that? Okay. Skinny?
Yeah, like skinny.
Slim. Skinny is like, we say like, I don't know, bony, small, anorexic.
Gotta call somebody bony.
Bony. You bony.
We'll just say a maga.
Maga?
Maga.
Maga.
Girl, maga eh?
That's not maggot. That's something else.
No, that's not maggot.
Oh, maga! I didn't think about that, honestly. Wait.
Maga.
Okay. Maga?
Yeah, what's that girl maga? She maga eh?
What that mean?
Like she really skinny, like to the point where I see all her neck.
But what the word maga is in English? Because I know it means something else.
I don't know.
Me no know. A maga. She
She
maga.
just maga.
She maga.
She needs some